If you use LinkedIn to find leads and you have ever wished is there a better way to find leads, verified phone numbers and emails, this is the video for you, as I'll be showing you how to find verified emails and phone numbers using Wiza, step by step as a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you will know what Wiza is, how to connect it to LinkedIn, and also how people use it to build clean B2B lead lists, even if you're brand new. Now, what is Wiza? Wiza is a LinkedIn email extraction and verification tool. Wiza helps you export leads directly from LinkedIn and Sales Navigator. You can also find verified professional email addresses, enrich leads with company data, and build ready-to-use outreach lists. Wiza's biggest advantage is that it works on top of LinkedIn instead of replacing it. Think of Wiza as a bridge between LinkedIn prospecting and cold email outreach. Now, who should use Wiza? I would recommend Wiza for you for agency prospecting on LinkedIn, freelancers doing B2B outreach, or sales rep using Sales Navigator, or founders selling services or softwares, or anyone already sourcing leads using LinkedIn. If you use LinkedIn to find leads, Wiza helps you turn searches into email lists instantly. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up to Wiza for completely free, and in turn it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed up to Wiza, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing I want you to do is you're going to be installing the Chrome extension. So you're going to tap on try on LinkedIn. Then from there it is going to open up a new page and you're just going to tap on add Chrome extension. After you have added the extension, it is also going to open up a page on LinkedIn. So for example, once you're on LinkedIn, all you need to do now, you can simply filter by job title, company size, industry, or location. So let's say for example, I were to select this random example right here. Once you're on the person's page, you'll simply tap on the Wiza icon from the right hand column. From there, you'll be able to pull their work email, phone number, and also their personal email, and you'll be able to find out if it is verified. So you'll simply tap on reveal contact info and it will reveal it, and you'll also be able to add it to a list. So it instantly exports it. So Wiza pulls names, job titles, companies, and verified emails when available. No manual copying, no scraping tools. So you'll simply tap right here and you'll be able to reveal their contact information and you'll be able to add it to a list. So for example, let me do that real quick. So if we were to tap on reveal contact, you can see right there, you just give it a few seconds, then it will be revealed. You could also reveal their phone number or personal email. Once you have done that, you can add it to a list. So I created a list right there and I'm just going to tap on save. So if we were to go back into Wiza, once in Wiza, from here we can tap on list in the top left hand corner and you can see I have 2 contacts added and they are 100% valid emails. And the next thing that I want to talk about when it comes onto Wiza is their email finding and verification. So once leads are exported, Wiza finds professional email addresses, verify them automatically, and assigns confidence level. As you can see right there, the confidence level is 100%, as you can see right there. And you can see over here, risky email would be 10%. So this helps to protect you from guessing emails, reduce bounce rates, and also protect sender reputation, as Wiza focuses on quality over quantity. Another thing when it comes onto Wiza is you'll be able to do bulk exports and list building. Inside Wiza, you can export hundreds or thousands of leads, and you can organize them into lists labeled by campaign or niche. You can then download clean CSV files ready for outreach or lead building. For example, if I were to tap here, I would be able to download this list, or I could tap here and I'll be able to download the list. And you can also tap right here from the top, you can tap on prospects. And from here, you will be able to filter the different lists that you have gone through, as you can see right here. And another thing that I like about them is their CRM and tool integration, as Wiza integrates with CRMs, cold email tools, outreach platforms. All you need to do is tap on integrate from the top left hand corner. And you can choose to connect to Salesforce, Outreach, there are numerous platforms, HubSpot, Zapier, as you can see right here. So typical workflow would be LinkedIn to Wiza, then Wiza to Outreach to our CRM. This removes friction between prospecting and outreach. As Wiza keeps things simple, a clean dashboard, clear export status, and easy list management. You don't need technical knowledge. If you can use LinkedIn, you can use Wiza. And let's quickly talk about some different use cases. First use case I want to mention is LinkedIn prospecting. So with Wiza, you'll be able to search on Sales Navigator, for example, and export leads using Wiza and launch cold email campaigns. You can also use it if you're running an agency, as it will help you to build niche specific lists, prospect daily, and feed leads into CRMs. You can also use it as a freelancer or founder, as you'll be able to find decision makers, skip contact forms, and reach prospects directly. Wiza shines when LinkedIn is your main lead source. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up and try it out for yourself for completely free. And if we were to check out their pricing right here, you can see that if you were to go onto their monthly plan, you can get started for as low as $49 and it can go up to $199. Hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.